Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if your job requires you to do a lot of filming, especially on the go, you are going to want to grab this. So I was on the hunt for a selfie stick, and when I came across this one, I was blown away. So this is really easy to use. To open it up, to get your selfie stick going, you just pull it out. This at the top here actually rotates and it tilts. It also has a remote for Bluetooth. So you take off the remote here and you can connect it to your phone so you can use the selfie with Bluetooth. Then what's also cool about this is that it's a tripod. So to open the tripod, I just open the legs just slightly just to get them showing. So we're just gonna push this upward and that is going to open the tripod legs. So then you have a tripod with your holder really, really tiny, or you can extend it and you can have this with you everywhere you go. So I love how compact this is when I'm not using it. So this is a selfie stick I never knew I needed, and I'm so glad that I got it. And that is my point of view.